This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Kinder Joy Minecraft Edition, a world made out of blocks. The Kinder Joy Minecraft Edition has been out for a little while now, and I have had a few of these already, and I also have a few of the figurines already. This is probably the first Kinder Egg, especially Kinder Joy Egg edition that I actually want to collect all of the figurines from, because I've been playing Minecraft for a long time. I still do play it with my cousin and a friend and other friends as well on a separate world. We are all still playing Minecraft because it's a great game. 20 euros, very well invested a long time ago for the Minecraft. Yes. They've got quite a few different figurines. I, of course, prepared a fake Excel sheet for this. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right here. And pause if you want to take... oh, can we? No, the ingredients list is down there. There's something there as well. Yes. What was I talking about? Yeah, well, I've been playing Minecraft for a long time. 20 euros well invested, and I was very happy to see this actually, because up until this point all of the figurines that I got my hands on actually were of very decent quality, very nicely detailed, and I was very happy with them. And you can also scan like a QR code, and then you have a little mini game in the browser on the phone. All sorts of stuff. Very nice indeed. Oh, the ingredients list is down there. Pause if you want to take a look at that here. Yeah. Usually at Lidl, for example, they go for 3 euros and 99 cents. At my local Globus, I checked the other day, they didn't have the Minecraft edition. They only had a different edition that I don't care about. So let us open up this thing now. 3 Kinder Eggs unboxing today. Let's start with the one on the very left. Shall we put this here, like this? Decorative purpose. Let's open up this thing. We're also going to take a look at the actual Kinder Egg milk cream filling, right? So this is the Kinder Joy. This is the little spatula spoon thingy that you get with it. Changed from a different one they used to have. Back in the day when I was a little kid, here in Germany we always had the basic Kinder Egg. So you have the yellow like pill-shaped thingy that contains the toy, and then you would have a shell made out of white and, well, whole milk chocolate around the outside, which is not that great for very hot climates or just moderately warm climates in summer. So in the south of Europe, in Italy for example, they had a different Kinder Egg. They had this style of Kinder Egg. They called it just the regular Kinder Sorpresa, which is just Kinder Überraschung in Italian. And at some point, Ferrero decided to also bring the joy to the more northern countries of Europe, or Central European countries, and we got the Kinder Sorpresa as the Kinder Joy, now having 2 types of Kinder Eggs on the shelves for quite some time now. Although I have to say that the Kinder Joy has really taken over when it comes to the overall presence of the Kinder Eggs on the shelves. So let's zoom in on the stuff here. We have got this milk cream stuff on top here. Then we have got 2 crunchy balls. They look kind of like the Ferrero, not really Renoir, not really Rocher, maybe a bit like the Giotto balls. Yes. And then if we dive into it with our little cardboard spatula, you can see that we have on top the milk cream filling, and on the bottom we have got some of this more darker, I guess, hazelnut cream stuff. Yeah, let's go for a taste test of that. It does taste very much like a Ferrero cream. Not filling, I guess it's not filling anything here, but you know, Ferrero cream with that highly addictive hazelnut note to it. Amazing. Here we have the ball. It's not a chocolate coating, it's like crunchy coating with some powdery stuff. And then underneath that is like a little chocolate coating that is coating a waffle ball here. Let us slice this one open. And on the inside, I suppose we have a hazelnut cream. Or is it? What do they say here? Skim milk cream. Too crunchy confect. I don't know how to translate that. Like a sweet thingy. Coated with a tender cocoa fat glaze, with a tender like chocolate glaze, and a mini toy, a Kleinspielzeug. Yeah, let's go for the whole. Oh, I'm making a mess. Why do I always make a mess out of things when I try stuff on camera? Very nice crunch to it. Yeah, overall, they're not good for you, right? But they are tasting fantastic, and they're also highly addictive. It was a real proper treat as a kid when we used to, on some occasions, get these Kindersurpresas on vacation. It was just amazing when they came to Germany. They used to have, as opposed to this cardboard spatula thingy, there was this plastic one. Of course, everything was plastic, which had a very intricate shape, and which made this a bit easier to eat, because now all of this cream stuff sticks superb to this cardboard spatula. Kind of hard to get off, but it just adds to the experience, I guess, right? It also looks disgusting. So let's put that away and take a look at the toy. What are we getting here? Let's try to clean the hands on the t-shirt. Wow! Another Diamond Steve. I think I have Diamond Steve already. There's the front of Diamond Steve. There's the back of Diamond Steve. And then we have the thing here. This is... no, this is not all of the toys. There's also like a spider clip thingy that they don't show here. But you have these ones here. They are supposed to be zipper decorations for like a jacket or a sweatshirt or something. And then this one, I want to have this shulker box thingy. And the magma cube, I don't know. And I also want to have the creeper. I don't know if I have the creeper yet. I think we have the regular Steve, the Diamond Steve, the zombie. We've got 2 dragons. We've got one of the... okay, it's not shown here. One of the like phone holder nether portals. And some others, but not all of them yet. And this one here, the glowing squid, we also have. I don't know if we have the Enderman. Not sure about that. Yeah, but this is another Steve, and you can put this, hook this into this thing here, I suppose, here, then put it together. And then here you have Steve Diamond Armor. You have another QR code thingy. Very nice. Let us assemble the Diamond Steve here. Is there something else I need to put in there? No. Okay, yeah, very cool. As you can see, the detail on this is pretty decent. Quality-wise, it's really nice. I like them. I like them a lot. They are a lot better than I thought they would be. Although I think the one that I already have looked a bit more pronounced, like the actual helmet looked more like a helmet, not just like a weird messed up face. Anyway, let's take a look at another one. In Minecraft, I usually try to use up all of the different armors before I go to the... no wait, that's a chocolate one. It's confusing because you have the like chocolate milk, the treat thingy, but the spatula for it is on the other side. It's confusing. Wow! The mini fox! I don't have the mini fox. No, I love the foxes in Minecraft. They are amazing. So cute! So cute. And this is the zipper decoration thing. I'm not putting it on the zipper, I'll just have it on a display shelf at some point, I suppose. Very nice. Do we have different ones around here? No, I don't know. If you want to scan it, then you can enjoy a little mini game on your phone's browser. Now let's take another one. Yeah, I usually try to use up all of the armor before I go to the diamond stuff, but in recent times I have discovered that, well, if I actually want to level up the levels, the experience levels, and if I actually want to do proper enchantments on stuff, I need to stop trying to use up all the stuff, because I like to use up all of the stuff. I like to use up, you know, open up cartridges of stuff and ink and the little big pen, like here I put the year on it. I hope that I can use it up within the time frame of this particular year. In Minecraft I would always use up the gold armor, the gold swords and stuff, then the iron ones, the leather ones, all of the shit that just gets you killed in actual difficult situations. So now I try to actually use the diamond armor, and yeah, I try not to die as often. It took me only like 10 years to make the right decision on that. And here we have another spider. Yes, I have the spider already. We have the spider already. I think you just have to put it in like that, probably. Yeah, like that. Like this. And you push, and then you have spider clip. Zip, 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 zip. Yeah, during day this is fine. I try not to look at it through in the night. It might attack me. This is the haul of this current egg thingy. It's alright. Diamond Steve, yeah, I can trade this one away. Maybe the spider, I keep the second one. The fox I will definitely keep. Now I think we need still the ocelot. I think we have got the cat. And I think also, I think we have a black skeleton. I don't know if we have the regular overworld skeleton yet. And I really want the shulker box, I really do. Okay, this is it for this particular video. If there is, because I looked it up, and apparently through some means you can sort of look up which ingredient, like toy-wise, the eggs have. I'm not sure if you can actually do that, or if that was just some Reddit hoax, but yeah. And if there is a way to do that, please let me know in the comment section, because I actually want to get all of these for once, and then I'm done with the whole collecting stuff again. I'm giving this, because it's of course Minecraft and Kinder Joy, I'm giving this 10 out of 10, 11, 12, 13 out of 10. I love it. No, I really do. It's not cheap, kind of expensive, but this is the first actual like Kinder Joy, Kinder Egg collectible thing that I actually want to collect, because I'm a sucker for this game. Regular merchandise stuff I don't really buy of things, but this is kind of cool. I like it. And I like that they also have got actual like semi-useful stuff with these clips and attachment thingies here. I think that's kind of cool. They put some proper thinking into designing these things, and for the most part this is the first one that I actually am not that happy about, because of the face just looking a bit effed here with the helmet, but all of the others are really nice in quality. So yeah, very nice up until this point at least. And if you've had any of these before, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know which ones, if you collect these, you already have, and which ones you still need. I still need a lot of them. I have to update my spreadsheet for this now. But on this, it is time to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.